What's up guys, it's me Viti, and today you are going to see how you can decrease the weight of your mouse without doing much to it. So let's get started. So what you need to do in order to get your mouse weight reduced is you need a screwdriver and a mouse, a gaming mouse, yeah, I customized it, looks cool. Yeah, so probably you need to find these screws. For me they were hidden under this paper kind of thing, so maybe if for you it might be hidden under these pads over here. You see these, so be careful about that, you might damage the mouse. So yeah, if you are confident enough you can try this. All you need to do is unscrew these, like that. Keep the screws aside. Yeah, now you need to open up your mouse. Just be careful about it, you might damage the wiring, they're really delicate. So just gently open your mouse up. Yeah, so the thing about mice are like they really weigh more than the components over here. So like if you imagine the weight of these both, it might be like really less, but the company people, they add this little metal thingy, so like to make it look or feel more premium than it actually is. So you need to remove this metal cuboid kind of thingy, like that. You see this is a lot heavier than it actually looks. So now if you screw your mouse back up, it will feel really light and it gives a lot of control. So if you play games like Minecraft and Krunker or something like that, so in that you need a lot of control. So a lighter mouse gives you a lot of control, so that is the reason why you might want to reduce the weight of your mouse. And I really improved in Krunker after knowing about this. I actually thought one day, why does this mouse weigh so much, even though its components are not so heavy. So, and if you might be thinking this is like, it might not be in all mouse, yeah, you might be right, but most of the mice have this. So like I'll show you another mouse. This is a office mouse, it's 13-year-old. So you can see that the tradition of this cuboid thingy is going on like from a long time ago. So let me open this mouse up too. Yeah, this is from Logitech. I don't really use this mice right now. Yeah, so there comes the screw, and I'm going to remove this really quickly. Yeah, so you see this too has the little metal cuboid thingy, see that? So I don't use this, so I didn't think I would remove this thing out. So yeah, it's just around in my house. I thought I'll check in this too if it's there, and yeah, it was. So yeah, you can reduce your the weight of your mouse like this. Now actually the mouse, it was 120 grams with this, it was 120 grams, but when you remove this, it's like it feels really light, like 85 or 60 grams kind of. Yeah, so if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel, because it gives me a lot of motivation and it's free, so you don't lose anything, and I get a lot of motivation from this to keep uploading videos. And yeah, so bye, see you in the next video.